The challenge many of us have is that we don't desire a relationship with God. What we desire are a set of steps that we can execute to get blessings from God. So that absence of relationship doesn't bother us. What bothers us are the blessings. And if we can get the blessings another way, man, forget about all of that. But for those who are sincerely hungry for God, Jesus Christ said, "Blessed are they that hunger and thirst after righteousness, they shall be filled." Those who hunger and thirst after righteousness, when they try to keep the law, they will be frustrated. Because the Bible says if you fail in one, you fail in all. And if you have never experienced that frustration, you will not appreciate Jesus. If you have never failed at obeying God, you won't appreciate Jesus. And that is why many of us take this Christ for granted, because we've never really tried. So you don't understand what it means, many of us, to wake up and try to be right by keeping 613 laws every single day of your life.